episode of sharing crowd cooking video episode. Today I'm making very special recipe, you could say Bhavna's kitchen special. It is known as Ghuto, made with lots of green vegetables and some other vegetables, but mostly all greens vegetables that you can find can be used for this recipe. This recipe is perfect for your potluck, little get together. It's so much easy to put together. You can use pressure cooker, open pot, or you can put your instant pot to work for this recipe. So let me show you where to start from. This recipe is made with lots of green vegetables and some lentils. Take 1 cup of moong dal with skin, 1 cup of chana dal, Bengal gram. Wash dals till water runs clear and soak for about 4 hours. As you can see here, I'm using so many types of green veggies: pigeon peas, tuber, green peas, matar, lima beans, wal, surti papri, guar, cluster beans, green beans, gilora, tindora also known as, you can use parval even, ginger, garlic and green chili, spinach, broccoli, spring onion, green bell pepper, curry leaves, cabbage, cilantro, coriander leaves, tomato, eggplant, carrot, gajar. So as you can see, this is like a cleaning of your refrigerator. Just take out as many vegetables as you have in your refrigerator and freezer. These are all the vegetables from my freezer actually. As you can see, they are still in the process of thawing. So as you can see, a lot of nutrition is going in just one single pot. Many of these vegetables are very high in protein. For example, pigeon peas has lots of protein in it. Surti papri lilwa, green peas, green beans, even broccoli is full of protein as well. And of course, protein from lentils as well. I'm going to prepare Ghuto in electric pressure cooker. For this recipe, I take about 3/4 cup of each vegetables. Here I am adding all kinds of beans and peas like green beans, pigeon peas, wild beans, baby lima beans, cluster beans, so variety of beans and peas. Tomato, potato and eggplants. Into the blender, take ginger, garlic, green chilies, coriander leaves, spring onion, curry leaves, all kinds of herbs and spices, and make the masala paste. Grind and add into the pot. Next, I'm going to chop some of the vegetables into the processor like cabbage, carrot, bell pepper, broccoli, spinach. These vegetables can chop roughly as well, but I like to chop them into the processor and again add into the pot. So basically it's like a prepare and dump kind of recipe. I also love to add cashews and raisins. Time to add soaked dals, lentils, about 6 cups of water, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi, garam masala as per taste. Give all this a really good stir. Cover the pressure cooker lid, seal the vent and set the cooker to soup function 25 minutes. When done, let the pressure cooker cool naturally or release the pressure manually and open the pressure cooker carefully. Stir everything really well. If desired, run the hand blender to smash some of the vegetables and lentils to make the recipe a little bit thicker. Be sure to keep the recipe chunky for the better flavor. Ghuto is ready to serve. And it's time to please the crowd. Garnish with garlic chives. Squeeze the juice of a fresh lemon. Serve Ghuto with bajra roti and many other condiments like pickles, gur, jaggery known as. Masala chas is must to go with Ghuto and bajra roti. Hope you enjoyed watching this episode, Cooking for Crowd. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is on almost all social media. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen app for free on your iOS, Android and many other devices. Thanks for watching and see you soon.